This is what we're looking like so far this morning. I added some things to my arbor. My little bird feeder. Put this over here, see if we get any hummingbirds. But anyways, we had a tornado warning at 4:45 a.m. Everything is fine though. So I hope it's gonna be a good day. Good morning and happy Friday. Who is excited for the weekend, especially the holiday weekend at the beginning of summer? I'm excited. I'm not really doing anything other than hoping that it's nice outside so I can get out there to my backyard and do some projects, which has been my favorite thing lately. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and say hello and shout out to any of my friends who have to do what I have to do and get shots in their eyes on a regular basis. It is definitely not cool. It's not fun, but I do it so that I can not go blind. And it pretty much changed my world. But anyways, here in just a little bit, I will be on the road with my husband taking me to go get my shots.